Hi guys, this is how you can find 7 slime pieces in Sailor Piece. First, take the quest from the NPC. The first island is the Desert Island. The first slime is under that giant skeleton. The second one is on Snow Island. On behind that tree. The third one is on Starter Island. On that tree. The fourth one is on Jungle Island. The fifth one is on Shinjuku Station. Behind the Panda Boss. The sixth one is on the center of that 2 towers. The last one on the Shinjuku Island. Guys, PLs help me reach 200 subscribers. Bye.